What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Chris House, aka House of Tunes, or whatever you want to call me. I'm back again with another video. Today's video, we want to talk about how IG is broken. But before we get into that, hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Hit that like button because I know you're going to like it. And hit that notification bell. It's about to go down. Now roll that intro. Ladies and gentlemen, I have come to the conclusion that Instagram is broken beyond repair for the artists. The algorithm that the minds of Instagram executives have created has failed us all. The content monster that they have assembled has caused the social media platform to implode upon itself. Granted, IG will be relevant for the foreseeable future, but what we have grown to love, it has all but disappeared. The times when you can upload grainy selfies or silly memes and get hundreds of likes, well, that has been replaced with half-naked women, content-stealing pages, and those stupid ads. Don't get me started on those stupid ads. Who in the hell thought that was a good idea to put so many ads? Sure, we all understand that the platform's main objective is to make money, but come on, why so many ads? Now, don't get me wrong, I still think it has some amazing tools and it allows us to reach out and engage with our followers. We still have the ability to ask them questions about products, do challenges, and even make them feel as though they are part of a community. But even that has become limited. Now, for some reason, IG has selected only a few people out of the 1,000 people that you have as friends or followers and only show your content to them. I mean, help me understand the logic behind only showing 1,000 people my work that I so thoroughly slaved over, by the way, if I have 15,000 followers. All should have access to my content, not just a small percentage. I believe IG has come up with a solution, though. I mean, not a solution that I may use, but at the end of the day, it's something. You remember them dumb ads I was telling you about? Yeah, well, you can pay for your own ads so that you can have an audience that you can reach a little bit further to. What you do is if you have a page, a business page, you go to your page and you click on promotions. Under there, you will select the post that you want to promote, where to send them, the audience that you're trying to get in front of, how much money you want to make or how much money you want to spend, and how long you want the ad to run for. It's very similar to Google Ads. I mean, it's the not ideal situation for someone who is just looking for views, likes, and follows, but as of now, it's all we got. You either pay to get in front of a large crowd, or you continue post in front of those 10 people that IG will put you in front of. And I ain't even gotten to the content creating monster that IG has morphed into. Instagram is now very similar to YouTube, where the content is king. Sure, just like YouTube, great content is the objective. But just like YouTube, content in general gets rewarded. See, on YouTube, you are encouraged to post frequently, 2 to 3 times a week, and have pretty good material. Well, that's cool in the beginning, and you could pad your sub counts if you wanted to. After a while, though, you're going to burn out. So hopefully, by the time you burn out, you've built a strong community that will continue to come back even after those burnout breaks. But for IG, they don't care about none of that.
Content is king.
You have to have some type of interaction on your page each and every day, whether it's stories, posts, reels. IG just wants to see you pushing out something. And it doesn't matter if it's the best quality. I personally follow pages that produce amazing content and gets like 50 to 100 views or 50 to 100 likes max. Whereas I've seen lower quality work gets thousands of views. And that's a problem that we need to address. To wrap this up, Instagram is failing all of us artists and content creators. We value our work and therefore we take our time with what we make. It could take days for a painter to paint something they deem amazing enough to share. Or, like a digital artist myself, it could take days for us to render something that we deem is worthy enough to share. I haven't even scratched the surface for the animators. With animators, they could take a whole month just to get a 1-minute scene out. IG isn't a bad platform or tool to be utilized for artists, but we must understand and keep in mind that we are on an unfair playing field. Use its intuitive ways to reach your community like challenges, polls, and ask questions through your stories and quick behind the scenes using the reels. But more importantly, just enjoy your artwork, even if it's only in front of 20 people. Hey, I appreciate you for watching my video. If you like to hit that like button, if you're not already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay up on what I am dropping next. As always, y'all, live, love, and create.